Hey kids, this is one of the first videos that I ever made when I was first learning how to make videos. So it's really just a series of stills with me doing a voiceover because at the time that was the best I could do that still looked halfway decent. So this is about how to make magnesium lotion. I haven't made it in a long time because I just haven't needed it, but it's good to know. That way if you need to make some and have some on hand, if you've got sore muscles or are having trouble sleeping, this is a really great lotion that you can make without any harmful chemicals or anything with endocrine disruptors in it. So here's this video. It's just from your mom showing you how to make magnesium lotion the best I could do about 4 years ago.
The equipment needed is a stick blender, 1.5 quart pan with 1 inch of water in it, a double boiler, measuring cups and spoons, and a lidded jar. Ingredients: 1 cup of magnesium flakes plus 1/3 cup of boiling water, half a cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup emulsifying wax or beeswax, 1/3 cup unrefined cocoa butter, 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil, 10 drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. In a small bowl, pour boiling water over magnesium flakes. Stir until they dissolve and are cooled to room temperature. Place the double boiler in the large pan with water. Add the coconut oil, cocoa butter, wax, and vitamin E oil. Stir over medium heat until all the ingredients melt. Pour the melted ingredients into a large mixing bowl and cool to room temperature. Cooling the ingredients to room temperature is very important. Blending the ingredients while they're still hot will hinder the emulsification. When the ingredients are room temperature, add your essential oils if you're using them and slowly drizzle the magnesium solution into the melted oils and wax while blending with the stick blender. Blend continuously until the mixture thickens and comes together into a lotion. The mixture will cling to the blending stick when it's ready. Pour the body lotion into a lidded jar and use it nightly before bed. It will make you a little sleepy. If you're deficient in magnesium, you may notice a slight tingling sensation on your skin when using this lotion. This is normal and will fade as you get your magnesium levels up to an optimal level.